All right guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna be starting a new site. I'm gonna show you guys from scratch. So we're building the whole booms. This is a whole boom swap and everything. We're doing an AT&T upgrade on this one. This is our tower. We're all the way at the top. So we're building 3 of these booms. And this is the beginning. I just put it together. Started with these 2 pieces here, plated them together, put these 2 pipes on, and then now these are for the antennas right here. There's going to be 4 of these pipes. I'm putting 2 more in here. So there's the beginning. Step 2 complete. We got all the position pipes on. They're almost done with theirs. We're going to call it a day. Then we will throw all of our antennas on tomorrow and get them all prepped up. What's up guys? We are back on site, and today this morning we did a bunch of color coding. We color coded the jumpers, all the fibers, all the powers. So just a big long day of taping a bunch of lines. And now I'm gonna just finish putting my boom together. Stood it up, and I'm gonna get ready to, we're waiting for our antenna brackets. Another crew stole ours, but we got 1 standing. We got 2 standing. We will start mounting everything to these, and we're gonna fly these all up in one big piece. All the antennas will be hanging on it already, and all we'll have to do is just plug our powers and fibers in and turn it on. So it should be pretty cool. And we're gonna stand this last one up and then call it a day. All right guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's go and see what we got going today. We are going to run 5 lines up the tower. These are all our power lines right here. There's a fiber trunk. All 5 of these power lines are going to be ran right up that, all the way to the top. Steve is up there right now. He's going to hoist them up. I stayed down so that I can put the hoisting grips on, make sure that they're all secure. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. There's a couple little whip antennas at the very top, and we just found out that they are running right over our boom, our existing boom. So we're gonna have to figure out what to do to stand ours off, because now it's gonna be hard to fly these all up in one piece. We got our 2nd line going up. We have 3 more to go after this one. These will be red 1, 2, and 3, and the next ones will be the beta ones. But yeah, we got 5 total. 2nd one going up now. Measuring them out. The hoisting grip's going at 18 feet, so I got my tape measure here. Pull it out, measure out 18 feet, put the hoisting grip on. He sends the rope back down, hook it on, send it up. But we're moving right along. Another day, another dollar. Another day at work. We got Lucas up on the tower. He's right up there. We're gonna snap in the rest of those lines today. We got our antenna brackets in yesterday, so I should be able to start mounting some stuff. But it's Friday. We're gonna have a nice, easier day today. Cold. What? Okay. Guess he's thirsty. Water bottle? All right. Get my workout on early today. I'm gonna muscle this stuff up. This is all he's gonna need up there, so no point in running the cat head today for 2 little buckets. Everything's harder in the winter with these damn gloves on my hands. I left it untrolleyed on purpose because he's not all the way up the tower. So he doesn't need the rope to go all the way up. Damn, they must have this rig pretty jacked up there. These buckets ain't heavy. Yeah. Ugh. They kept hitting the X braces. That was annoying. Already yelling, no fucking radio. One out of 3. That ain't gonna do us no good. I shouldn't have to talk to him no more though, so. We gotta bring up the rope. Lucas went up, try to fix a little RSSI issue. Unfortunately, him tightening it up did not fix the issue, so I'm gonna bring the rope up so we can exchange these jumpers. So you guys can come on a climb with me. See how it is. It's like 40 degrees, so the gloves are absolutely necessary. Now this is my cable grab, so that I don't have to be clipping climbing all the way up the tower. So this will be my safety instead of these. I'm gonna try to make this in 1.5 minutes. Stopwatch. Ready? Set. And I'm gonna start my music. Let's see, 10 or 15 seconds. And I'm carrying the rope up, by the way, so it's not just me and my gear. It's also about 200 feet of rope, give or take. It's hard to move in all this gear. A minute and a half. Heck yeah. I'm wearing like 6 layers of clothes and pulling a rope. Beautiful day. So for you viewers at home, this is my second climb of the day. I already hit this once, and oh shoot, I went back down because we needed to bring a rope up here. We thought it was going to be easy to fix. It was not, and here I am climbing up 2 times. So. bet a lot of people are like, yo, you guys are crazy for doing this. I think you're crazy for not doing this. I don't know who wouldn't love this job, bro. I'm literally climbing on a giant jungle gym and building grown man Legos for a living. All right, here we go. Moving on. And the higher you get up, the heavier the rope gets, obviously, because it's more rope coming out of the bucket. But this is all gains. This is all conditioning. This is all cardio for my fights, because I know that I'm not going to be fighting somebody that does this. Especially not one that pushes this hard. I know, because I push myself as hard as I can. Until my arms literally can't grip the tower. This is some hack work. We just came to fix, this was a crew that came out from across the country that we had working in our market. And it's just terrible, but I'm done with my part, so this is what I do. You know what I'm saying? Look at this though, you guys. Come on, like who would not love to see this every single day? Are you serious? And get to climb on this thing? Look how high I could go if I want. I'm not going up high today, but high enough to get a little adrenaline rush, you know what I'm saying? And I'm all about that adrenaline. This is called a guy wire tower. Those wires are what holds the whole tower up. There's towers coming from 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. No, 3 angles. And there's a bunch. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 per side. They're big steel cables, as you can see. But I just did a jumper swap, waiting to get my word back from Verizon. I'm probably get out of here. Beautiful day though. I'm about to strap you guys back to the helmet. Okay, buddy, be safe, okay? Let me know if you need anything. Alright, let's get down this thing, shall we? This is my favorite part, of course, but you know, a lot of guys will like stop on their way down. They get arm pump or whatever. This is like the best forearm workout, and I ain't trying to lose out on gains. So I make sure no matter how tall the tower, no matter how bad my forearms are burning, I ain't stopping, bro. No effing way. Ain't happening. Because you know what that would be doing, right? All I would be doing is cheating myself out of some good old physical discomfort. Discomfort is not always a bad thing, guys. Discomfort is sometimes a really, really good thing. It can make you so dang strong, you got no idea. The more uncomfortable a situation is, the more you're gonna grow out of it. So if you start thinking about your life in that sense, instead of thinking about a negative as a negative, rather thinking of it as a way that you can grow as a human being, man, it's changed everything for me. And it's still changing everything for me. New challenges arise every day. New things that you gotta work on within you, you know? So that's what I'm trying to do every day. Just grow and grow and get better. I didn't always have this hunger for knowledge and growth that I have now, but I'm not letting it go anywhere. And that quick, we're down.